Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mercedes E-Class grille. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is completely off for safety. It's also a good idea to protect your front bumper with a soft cloth or some painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by opening the hood and finding the retaining clips and screws along the top edge of the grille. Use your T20 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove all these screws. Once the top is loose, use a trim removal tool to gently unclip the lower sections of the grille from the bumper. Take your time here to avoid breaking any tabs, ensuring a clean removal. With the old grille out, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting points on both the bumper and the hood. Once aligned, gently press the lower sections of the grille until you hear the clips engage securely into their slots. Finally, reinstall all the screws along the top edge, tightening them just enough to hold the grille firmly in place without over-tightening. Before you're all done, perform a few final checks. Double-check that all the clips are fully engaged and every screw is securely tightened. Close the hood and take a step back to admire your work, ensuring the new grille is perfectly aligned and looks great. Finally, give the new grille a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges, leaving it sparkling clean. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.